Okay, Michael Brown, it's officially summer at Solar Ray. Happy summer solstice, longest day of the year. So what do we talk about today? How about all the incredible momentum in solar right now? In specific regards to the momentum in the solar installation business, let's talk about shady sales tactics. So, start things off, our sales reps are required to have nationally recognized training in solar, be working towards national level certifications. Why is that important? Well, let's just say that with all the current solar momentum, every salesperson looking to make a buck is jumping on the gravy train. This also means that the common sales pitches are horribly inaccurate and misleading. How? Well, to start, company claims of experience and expertise. We actually have the proof of these claims in national certification, accreditations, and training. Another very misleading and false claim is that central or string inverter systems that don't have an inverter or power electronic device for every solar panel lose the power from the whole string if one module is shaded or partially shaded. This is completely false due to what are called bypass diodes. In fact, in partial shade or heavily shaded occurrences, string inverters often outperform the panel with a module level electronic system. Another truth, in the natural attrition or failure rate of electronics, which is about 3%, so does increasing the likelihood you will have some need for service or equipment failure by a factor of 20 to 40 or more? Does that make sense? Okay, many sales tactics include add-ons, upgrades, and extended or inclusive service plans. So why don't they just offer the same claimed excellent service and products to all their customers? Finally, when they offer you a quote and you compare quotes, do they then offer to price match? Why is that? Why didn't they just give you the best price in the first place? Well, okay, then they price match. But did they qualify and prove that they can service match, performance match, durability match? Some will brag about how many thousands of installations their company does nationwide in a month or a year. Do their reviews show that these are largely satisfied customers and that the quality and performance is as stated? Well, at Solar Ray, we can show a continuous duration of business with no restructures, no bankruptcies, and one of the best customer review bases in the country. Solar Ray, proven customer satisfaction, proven customer service, proven system performance, and proven system durability for more than 15 years. Florida's first nationally accredited solar company and the only solar company that absolutely puts the customer's best interest first based on the best solar knowledge base in Florida. Solar Ray Inc. 407-443-4404.